We're going to talk about putting together your own personal Clubhouse strategy. So one of the things that I am a big believer in, and I teach all of my clientele, is the following. Strategy is the new hustle. So if you're someone who's just like, I'm just going to start rocking around on Clubhouse and I'm just going to just start throwing stuff out and I'm going to see if it sticks and I just want to speak because I love speaking and I want to get out there. Or if you don't really have any expertise yet, but you're out there, kind of positioning yourself as an expert, it is not going to go well. In fact, I will tell you, I've been moderating a lot of rooms over the last several weeks. I've been moderating rooms where all of the moderators are millionaires, multimillionaires. And let me just tell you, when people that are newer business owners get up there and they don't have it together, it is extraordinarily obvious. And not only will it not help you, it will hurt you.